Hi, it's Mr. Liu. We're doing page 67. Practice 4, subtraction across zeros. Subtract, then solve. Alright, so here for these subtraction problems, we're going to subtract, and we have a lot of zeros, so we have to subtract across these zeros. Now, if you have a hard time doing this, I'm going to explain an example for you, and then we're going to do one problem together. So if you look at our example, they need to regroup. So just like we normally subtract, we subtract from the ones place first, then the tens place, then the hundreds place, then the thousands place. So if you look at our ones place, we have 0 minus 3. Okay, now I can't do 0 minus 3 because 0 is smaller than 3. So I need to regroup. Well, I can't regroup from my tens place because it's also 0, so I move on to my hundreds place. Can't regroup from my hundreds place, so then I look at my thousands place. And now this is when I need to regroup. I've taken 1,000 away, so I take 1,000 away, it gives me a 0, and I regroup it. So 1,000 equals 10 hundredths, and that's why you see a 10 over there. 10 hundredths. Now I can regroup for my 10 hundredths. So I take 100 away, which makes it 9 hundredths, and if I take 100 away, it gives me 10 tenths, and that's why I have a 10 over there. Then I regroup and take 10 tens, take one of those tens away, and that's why I have 9 tens, to get me 10 ones. So again, just like take one away, add 10 here. So it's take one away, add 10 here. Take one away of these, add 10 here. Take one away of these, and then you add 10 over here. So then now you can subtract. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 4 is 5. 9 take away 3 is 6, and then that 0 goes straight down. So your final answer is 657. So let's do one together. Alright, we can't do 0 minus 4, so we have to take away from the tens. Can't do that. We've got to regroup from the hundreds. Can't do that, so we regroup from the thousands. So take one of the thousands away. Take 1,000. Regroup that to 10 hundredths. So now I have 10 hundredths. Now I want to regroup for my 10 hundredths, so take 100 away, gives me 9 hundredths, and I regroup that to 10 tenths. Take one of the tens away, gives me 9 tenths, and gives you 10 ones. Alright, so now we can subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7, well, that'll be 2, and then that 0 goes straight down. So my final answer is 236. Now, we don't really need the 0 if you don't want to write the 0, so I can actually get rid of this 0. So my final answer is 236. Okay, now once I figure out the rest of these answers, I can put the corresponding letters to find the flavor of jam. So if you look at 657, that's letter P. So I'm looking for 657, and I don't see it over here, but I do see 236, so 236 is right over there, and that is letter Y. So I'm going to put the letter Y over here. Okay, so solve for the rest of these, and then write the corresponding letters using your answers. Alright, get started.